All right, everyone, here we are with ticker symbol ZOM, Zomedica Corp. And before we jump into this chart, I want to say welcome to all the first-time viewers and investors. Welcome to the channel. And to all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. It helps out the YouTube channel, and it lets me know you appreciate the time and effort that I put into making these videos. Now, stay tuned towards the end because I have a ticker symbol you won't want to miss. I sound like a broken record on this one. I've been talking about it for several weeks now, and I've talked about it over at the Patreon as soon as I saw it as an opportunity when the market was pulling downwards. We're going to talk all about it, but this is said to be the stock of the decade. If you look up the ticker symbol, once you see it and you put stock of the decade articles, it'll pull up on Google and you'll be surprised everything that you see, because this is in an untapped market, okay? And it's going to be the industry leader. So stay tuned for that. So here we are, Zomedica Corp, right? It's actually pulled upwards, pulled down, and now it's building momentum again. So right now, the first thing I want us to realize is that most stocks, as I'm doing these videos, I'm noticing that yesterday we had a slight bottom on a lot of stocks, and a lot of them are showing strength into today, right? So that's pretty good in my opinion, but we need to see if this strength can hold itself up. And that's why these support levels and resistance levels matter so much. So basically, moving forward, our support that we need to watch is 146, okay? That was the bearish run and the lowest point that we reached. So every day moving forward, this is the point that we want to stay away from, and we want to move further upwards from, whether it's a few cents at a time, but as long as we stay away from it, there's some strength in the stock. Because remember, this is a penny stock. We've talked about 140, we've talked about 133. Those are our true supports that we've been actually using as a point of reference to say, okay, we still see some strength here. There might be some opportunity, okay? As long as we don't touch these lows. If we cross these lows, we might go downwards, all right? I've been mentioning this in almost all my videos. So right now, away from those numbers, we have here 146, 147, 145 area, okay? We want to keep that in mind. Now, I also talked about an article that basically said that 152, 153 was certainly going to be a support. And if it was a support, we were going to see this one between 152, 153 and almost up to 180, right? And it hit a peak here of 190. So right now the article is pretty dot on. I've been talking about the supports down here to be even more cautious and give a little bit more wiggle room, because look how it broke through 152, 153 and it hit 146. Because of investor sentiment, and it jumped right back up since. So there's some people swing trading this, day trading this, and taking advantage of these small drops and runs up. And then there's others that are long on this one because they believe in this product long term, and they believe this could hit $3 to $5, which I'm certain is possible, but it is going to take some time. Zomedica needs to show revenue. So here we are. The 50-day moving average is 170. Anything below it is bearish. Anything above it is bullish. Now, our support level is 163. If that gets broken through, we need to watch this carefully. We need to see how quickly is it hitting newer lows, and are the bulls trying to reappear. Super important. If they reappear, they're showing strength, they can probably bring this one back up. But keep in mind that all of this going on down here, whether the bulls are running back up or not, they're still below the 50-day moving average. So important for 163 to not get crossed, and if it does, for the bulls to bring themselves back up and head towards the 50-day moving average of 170. Now, what is our resistance? It is 171. Literally the post-market point that just got touched, 171. This is to the hundreds and thousands place of a difference. That needs to be broken through for this to pull upwards. Now, if it does, the next point of reference is up here at 184, okay? That is a very important resistance level, because that's the highest point where this leveled off after such a bullish run before the dip. So 184 significantly can change things for the bulls and can show some strength for them to pull upwards, reach newer highs and new resistance levels. As always, if you found this video helpful and informative, please do so and subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell to turn on all notifications and not miss a single video that I post. Share this with your friends and community, and don't forget to hit the like button to let me know you watch this video. It helps out the YouTube channel. I appreciate it very much, and it lets me know you guys value the time and effort that I put into these videos. Stay tuned, because the ticker symbol I'm about to mention, I'm a broken record, but I don't want you guys to miss it or overlook it. So the ticker symbol that you guys should add to your watch list is definitely one that I'm about to sound like a broken record. I did a full video on it. I'm going to have it pop up soon, somewhere up here on this side of the screen. And you guys should definitely go check it out if you have time, or if you want to stick through for this. Now, the other video is a full due diligence, almost 16 minutes of me talking about GHVI, my bullish case on it, and how I feel about it. But here I'm going to summarize everything that I've said so far, and when I started to watch it, and tell all the members over at the Patreon about it. So if you like this video and you find it helpful and informative, please do so, and smash that like button to let me know you appreciate the time and effort that I put into these videos, and it helps out the YouTube channel. So the ticker symbol is GHVI. We're going to look at this chart in just a moment, but let me give you guys just a little brief summary, which is what I told the Patreon members. So I said this back on March 1st, and GHVI is a SPAC, but not just any, okay? This is probably one of those that are going to be the outperforming SPACs, and not a lot of them do this. So GHVI stands out, right? GHVI is a stock with upside growth. The merger has been announced with Matterport in an untouched market. So what is Matterport? It is scanning apps for buildings, right? And turning the physical space into digital space. The company does this with professional cameras that create a 3D layout with the 360-degree scans. That's like really impressive, okay? Top-notch technology, and I mean just innovation in general. And it's coming to become the norm, right? The future, and then it's going to be a norm. And as this SPAC grows, you know, there's going to be more hype and anticipation behind it. So the chart was pretty tough to read on March 1st. Obviously, today is the 26th, so I'm going to share with you guys more information. But I did tell everyone since that date that the chart is pretty tough to read, not enough data. Now, if the market continues to pull back, this one still has room to continue a downward trend, but it is a must-watch stock moving forward. We have seen its high and how much it has pulled back recently. This company is a game changer in the real estate business, okay? And let me show you guys the graph. So at that time, all the indicators were really hard to read. There wasn't even indicators. Nothing was really popping up. This still doesn't even have a 50-day moving average, right? Doesn't even have that. But it ran up really fast once the announcement was made, and then it pulled back really hard. So this was around March 5th. I caught it on March 1st. It was sitting around here. I said there was room. It did fall. It hit $11, bounced back up to 17, and it's falling again. As this is falling, these are the opportunities. And today it hit a low of $13 and some change. This is definitely one that if you have not added to your watch list, you should add it to your watch list. I'm going to post up here the video that I go ahead and do my full due diligence if you guys want to check it out. And if not, go check out the website, matterport.com. It's going to tell you everything about this company. So this one right here is said to be the stock of the decade. This is the stock you want on your watch list. This is a stock you want to at some point own, because you want to take out that shot with the opportunity that's presenting itself in an untapped market. And it's the leading industry leader. Like literally, GHVI is going to merge with the leader of the industry, Matterport. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.